Jamb 2011 past question, economics. Question number 26 says, bank consolidation policy in Nigeria is a measure to increase A. Capital. A. Capital. The capital base of banks. B. Employment opportunities in banks. C. The number of shareholders. D. The number of branches. So, bank consolidation was a policy introduced by the banks in Nigeria, CBN in Nigeria, to review the certification of banks, and it came up with a capital base for banks. So, it was a policy introduced by CBN to increase capital base of banks in Nigeria in the under the democratic era. So, option A is the correct answer, the capital base of banks. Thank you. Please subscribe for more past questions.